Never skip an Hermes airport. You got a white bag. You know what a white bag means. Let's unbox. Excuse the mess. Okay, just got back. This is from the airport. This is a quota bag adjacent bag that I got from the airport. As I've said many times, never skip an Hermes airport. You never know what they're gonna have. I feel very lucky and grateful that I got this. It's not an easy bag to get. It is a quota bag adjacent, and it's just very excited. I literally got it so fast. I was running late. We were running late, as usual. So I didn't have a lot of time in the store, but luckily I have an amazing SA and they held a few bags for me. So if you saw my other video where I posted what I was offered 2, and obviously I took this one. If you watch the video, you know what I got. Okay, I don't have this bag in this size. I have a bag smaller in a different size, and I don't have this color. I don't have anything in this color. Yeah, I don't know. Well, we were running late. Oh, I'll talk about story time later. But let's just do the unboxing. Okay. Kelly Messenger in the PM size. It's a new bag they released, a men's bag, but still a quota bag adjacent that they released last year or 2 years ago. This is literally for Chai because it is his color. What do you think? Nikki? Yeah. This is gonna be Chai's little day bag. This will be Chai's bag for every day for all his stuff. Perfect size for on the go, and it's gonna match him. And I'm gonna take it and get his initials on it. My new doggy bag. This is my new doggy bag for my dog, who seems to not care. Chai, what do you think? You like it? You like it? White to match white. This is what I was offered. Not that I chose this, but now that I have it. I think it's Nata. I'm not sure. I don't remember. It was so fast. Or Cray. And it's the Kelly Messenger in the small size. Like I said, it's a men's bag, but it is very, very hard to get. Quota bag adjacent. It's got the Kelly open and closure. Okay, it's just got one flat pocket inside. The bigger one has a zip pocket in the back. This one doesn't. I feel like this is like a 25. Shall we compare? Oh, man. Yeah, 25. Okay, I'm gonna separate this into 2 videos. Bye.